Continuing with the topic, good day everyone. Today we will learn about what is mode of group data. Mode is the value among the observations which occurs most often, that is the value of observation having the maximum frequency. Mode of group frequency distribution. Mode is represented by Z is equal to L plus F1 minus FO upon 2 F1 minus FO minus F2, or you can call F0 into H. In case of group frequency distribution, we can only locate a class with maximum frequency, which is called model class. Please take note of it. The mode of is a value inside the model class and is given by the formula, where L is the lower limit of model class, H is the size of the class interval, F1 frequency of model class, F0 is frequency of the preceding class, F2 is the frequency of the succeeding model class. Okay, let us start with 13.2 now. You can see the classes are mentioned to you and you have to find mode, mean of the data, compare and interpret measures of central tendency. Very important. Let us start. Now you see the table and tell me which class has the maximum frequency. So you will say 35 to 45 has maximum frequency, that is 23. So maximum frequency 23 is the frequency of the class. This is the first step. 35 to 45. So 35 to 45 becomes the model class. First step is clear? Okay. Now find out the lower limit. What is the lower limit? 35. Class size 10. F1 frequency of the model class is 23. F0 frequency of the class preceding the model class will be 21 and F2 will be 14. Understood? Now we write the formula. Z is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Put the values and you get the answer 36.8 approx. Calculations, see to it. Okay. Now we have to find out the mean. So we write down all the classes frequency. Now class mark. Class mark everyone knows. 5 plus 15, that is 20, divided by 2 gives you 10. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And we take A as assumed mean. Then UI is equal to xi minus A upon H. Xi, what is your xi? 10. 10 minus 40, how much you will get? Minus 30. Divide by H. So you get minus 30 upon 10 is minus 3. Accordingly, you get the answer. Then F1, U1 and total is minus 37. Step deviation method. X bar is equal to A plus sigma Fi Ui upon sigma Fi into H. 40 plus minus 37 upon 80 into 10. So we get 35.37 approx. So finally we write the answer. Mode is 36.8 years and mean of the given data is 35.37 years. आ गया समझ में? बहुत easy है. Second one. First, see the classes are given to you. अब देखो फ्रीक्वेंसी किसकी ज़्यादा है? आई थिंक 61. ठीक है. मैक्सिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी 61 इज ऑफ द क्लास 6080. 6080 इज द मॉडल क्लास. आ गया समझ में? चलो अब मॉडल क्लास का एल क्या है? लोअर लिमिट 60. हाइट, क्लास साइज 20. F1 61, F0 52, F2 38. हो गया. राइट डाउन द फॉर्मूला. Mode Z is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. 60 plus 61 minus 52 upon 2 into 61 minus 52 minus 38 into 20. 60 plus 61 minus 52 is 9. 9 into 20. And this denominator gives you 32. So we get 65.625 is the model lifetime. Okay. Now we go to the third one. We have to find out the model. चलो देख के बताओ. 40. यस, क्लास इज 1500 to 2000. तो L कितना रहेगा 1500, साइज 500, F1 40, F0 from the table 24, F2 33. Put the values 1500 plus 40 minus 24 upon 2 into 40 minus 24 minus 33 into 500. 1500 plus 16 into 500 upon 23 gives you 1847.83. Now second we have to find out the mean. So write down all the classes, all the frequencies, class mark L plus U divide by 2. We get A, we have taken 2750. Accordingly we find out Ui is equal to Xi minus A upon H minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3 4. F1 Ui gives you minus 35. Now write down the formula. X bar is equal to A plus sigma Fi Ui upon sigma Fi into H and we get 2662.50. ठीक है, चलो फोर्थ वन में find the mode and mean. Okay, now tell me the model class. Model class will be 3235. Am I right? Yes, 3235 is a model class. 30 is L, H is 5, F1 is 10, F2 is Z3, right? Yes, ये हो जाएगा 9 और ये हो जाएगा 3, right? Z is equal to L plus, put the values, you get 30.6. Then in the second step we find out the mean. Classes F, class mark, decide A. Ui is equal to Xi minus A upon H minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3 4. F1 U1, chalo, then you get minus 23. So put the values and you get the answer 29.2. Fifth one, the given distribution shows the number of runs scored by some top batsmen. Find the mode of the data. चलो हाँ, फ्रीक्वेंसी चेक कर लो. 18, ओके. मॉडल क्लास 4000 to 5000, L 4000, H 1000, F1, F0, F2, and accordingly you find out the mode. Question number 6. Try to do and homework what you are supposed to find out the mode. So decide your model class and find out. Okay, now we go to the next part of the chapter, that is median of the ungrouped data. If the number of observation is odd, then median M is given by n plus 1 upon 2 observation, and if it is even, then n upon 2 plus n upon 2 plus 1 observation. Okay, so we have got less than type, more than type, cumulative frequency. Let us start with the exercise 13.3. Find the median, mean and mode. Very good example. Chalo, first we write down the class, frequency, then class mark. Ui is equal to Xi minus A upon H, F1 U1 and CF. अब CF कैसे फाइंड करना है वो जरा देखो. So F and CF, ठीक है. पहले हम सेम नंबर लिख देंगे 4 4. 4 plus 5 9, फिर 9 plus 13 22, ऐसे जा रहा है. 22 plus 20 42, 42 plus 14 56, 56 plus 8 64, 64 plus 4 68. Now median, n is 68, तो n upon 2 कितना रहेगा 34. 34th observation lies in the class 125 to 145 as seen from the column of CF. So 125 to 145 is the median class. चलो again I will explain. n is 68, 68 को डिवाइड बाई 2 करो तो 34 आ रहा है. अब 34 कहाँ पे है ये देखो, फ्रॉम द कॉलम ऑफ CF 34 will be lie between 22 and 42. So 42 is matching with 125 to 145. That becomes the median class. L lower limit, CF 22, F 20, H 20. Median L plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. Put the values and you get the answer. Very important question. It is going to be asked. Now we find out the mean. X bar is equal to A plus sigma Fi Ui upon sigma F into H. Put the values, get the answer. Similarly, we find out the mode. So median is 137, mean 137.05, mode is 135.76. Okay. Now we go to question number 2. If the median is given to you, find the value of x and y. Chalo, first we write down the class. Likh lo. Frequency, x and y are unknown, so 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. Understood? Let us start. 5 plus x. 5 plus x plus 20, so 25 plus x. 25 plus x plus 15, 40 plus x. 40 plus x plus y, so 40 plus x plus y. And last will be 45 plus x plus y. This question is going to be asked. Okay. N is 60, so n upon 2 will be 30. हो गया. 45 plus x plus y is 60, so x plus y is equal to 15. Write equation 1. Median is 28.5, which lies in the interval of 20 to 30. So 20-30 is the median class. L lower limit 20, CF 5 plus x, F 20, H 10. Put the values and you get the answer. X equal to 8, y is equal to 7. Now we go to the third one. Third one also you have to find out the median age. Copy it. Number of policy holders. F. So you see CF is given to you. From CF we will find out the F. Chalo. First 2. 6 minus 2, 4. 24 minus 6, 18. 45 minus 24. Accordingly you get the answer. N is 100. The n upon 250. 50th observation lies in the class of 35 to 40. बराबर है 50 इसके बीच में आएगा ना 45 78 के 35 40 is the median class. Do the calculations, put the value and you get the answer. Fourth one, find the median. Now length in mm is given, number of leaves are given, so we have to convert into the continuous classes. That so what you will do, minus 0.5 plus 0.5, so you get 117.5, 126.5 number of leaves. Then you find out the CF. Okay, n 40, n upon 2 20. 20th observation lies in the class of this. Put the value and you get the answer. Now here you have to find out the median. So for median we need number of classes are given, frequency is given. From frequency go to CF. 14 14. Chalo, abhi 14 plus 56 70. 70 plus 60 130. Accordingly find out the CF column and put the values. So you get the answer 3406.98. Question number 6, we have to find out mean, mode, all three. Chalo, number of letters, number of surname, class mark, UI is equal to xi minus a upon h, f1 u1 and cf. Okay? Now median, n 100, n upon 250. So 50th observation lies in the class 7 to 10. Accordingly put the values and you get 8.05 letters. Mean you get 8.32. Mode you get 7.88. 886. 88 you can write. Okay. Question number 7 will be homework for you. So please try. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 जरा देख लो. Now, just one more thing I want to tell you. Textual examples later on I will do. Now we will see the remarks. This is very important for objective. There is empirical relationship between the three measures of central tendency. 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. Please learn by heart this relationship. It will be asked 1 mark question. So again 2 times. Let us see now once again. Direct method. X bar is equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. Assume mean x bar is equal to a. X bar is equal to a plus. Okay. Sigma fi di upon sigma fi. Step deviation x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi ui upon sigma fi into h. Mode L plus f1 minus f0 upon 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. Then median L plus n upon 2 minus cf upon f into h. Okay. So work it out. We'll meet again.